Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So my friends, you can see me and Vikram, we both are in front of yummy looking chicken biryani. I just made chicken biryani today because today is a very special day. It's Holi. I know you are, those who are in India, you are super excited to celebrate this festival of color with your family, with your friends. But we don't have any other option to celebrate Holi this year because we are in Denmark, Europe, and there are no any program that we can attend to celebrate Holi. But one thing we can do, we can make delicious food to celebrate Holi.
That's the best way.
That's the best way because food is a very integral part of our life, our culture. So yes, already in my channel I have posted gulab jamun, gajar ka halwa, those recipes. Holi special recipes. I hope you have liked that. Last day I posted. And today I thought of, okay, let's share Holi special chicken biryani recipe with you all. And I just finished cooking and Vikram also back from office. So now we both are going to enjoy our lunch. And happy Holi, my friends.
Happy Holi to everyone.
Yes.
So
and
hope you will have a very safe Holi. With lots of colors.
Yes, with lots of color, and be safe. Just enjoy this festival of color, but be always safe. So I hope you will enjoy this year Holi, and tomorrow also, my friends, it's a very special day coming, but that I will not tell you now. Next week, probably Tuesday, you are going to see that vlog because tomorrow is a very special day in my life, and I'm going to make lots of Bengali style food tomorrow, and a special Indian thali is coming up in my channel. So please stay tuned for that. And for today, just enjoy my chicken biryani recipe. So my friends, now I am going to share step-by-step process of making very delicious and yummy chicken dum biryani. So first, let's see the ingredients. Here you can see I have boiled potatoes and eggs because we Bengalis love to have potatoes and eggs in our biryani. Here I have soaked basmati rice for 30 minutes now. And here is my chicken pieces. I have taken bigger pieces to make my biryani. And here you can see I have organized everything like 4 pieces of green chilies and chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, coriander leaves or dhania patta. And here for making the baresta, thinly sliced onion, which is very important in biryani. And here is yogurt. And here is my favorite Shan biryani masala. You can use whatever biryani masala is available, but I have taken that. And here is my food color, my friends, but I usually prefer and always recommend to use saffron, but today I don't have that, so I'm using it. And here is pure butter ghee, and that is my oil. And this is my cute spice box where I have all the spices to make my biryani, like star anise, mace or cloves, cardamom, etc. And here is tej patta or bay leaf. So now let's start. So my friends, in the first step, I'm going to cook my rice in the rice cooker. So here in this rice, I have added salt, bay leaves, cardamom, also 1 cinnamon stick, star anise, mace. So all these whole spices I have added in this rice. In this way, your rice will be super flavorful. And also I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee. So now I'll let it cook. And here I am marinating my chicken pieces now. So first of all, in my chicken I have added ginger garlic paste and then yogurt and also this biryani masala. And now I'm going to give it a very good mix. And now I'm adding coriander leaves and 1 green chili. And also little amount of salt, not much. And in the final step, I am adding sugar, just a little amount of sugar and also oil. And now I'll mix it well and I'll keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. And here I'm gonna fry my boiled potatoes and boiled eggs. I'm adding little amount of salt and little amount of biryani masala here. I just love the flavor of that, but you can skip that part. You can just use boiled potatoes and eggs just like that. now I'm gonna fry this thinly sliced onion for making the barista. Here I have added little amount of all-purpose flour. I have just sprinkled little bit to make it crunchy. And here in this step, I'm going to make my chicken masala for the biryani. So in this oil and ghee mixture, I have added 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then I have added these whole spices like cardamom, mace, star anise and also cloves. And here I have added chopped onion. I'll mix everything well. I'll cook it for a few minutes. And after cooking the onion properly, now here I am adding chopped tomatoes. And now it's time to add my marinated chicken pieces into this onion tomato mixture. And then I'll give it a very good mix and I'll mix all these ingredients properly. I'll cook it for a few minutes. To cook my chicken little fast, here one thing I'll do, I'll transfer this pan into that burner because that is little bigger in size, so it will take less time to get cooked. I'm just going to show you my rice. Yes, it's absolutely ready. So now I'm gonna take out this lid. And here my friends, I always prefer to spread my rice in this way, especially whenever I am making biryani or fried rice. So in this way your rice will be so fluffy and so beautiful. Here my chicken masala is also getting ready. Here you can see my masala already has started separating the oil. And now I'll cover the lid and also I'll add little amount of water. And after 10 minutes, now my chicken is absolutely ready. And here you can see all my items are ready on my kitchen countertop. Chicken masala, rice, boiled eggs, potatoes and also my barista. So now I can start making the layering. To put my biryani in the dum process, here you can see I have taken a heavy bottom pan which is very important. And now I am greasing it with little amount of ghee. And here I have started making the layer. So in the first layer I am spreading my chicken masala. We have to spread it properly in the bottom part because that will be the base of your biryani. And here I am spreading my basmati rice, flavored basmati rice. And now little bit of coriander leaves and barista, that fried onion, food color and biryani masala and also 1 green chili. And now again in the third layer I am spreading chicken masala. And again in the fourth layer I am adding my rice. So in this way you can make your layers. Just don't forget to add little amount of biryani masala in every layer. It will give this dish a extra flavor and super taste. And now I am adding potatoes and eggs. And my friends, the final layer should be always with rice. So here you can see I am spreading the rest of my rice on this final layer. And look at this rice, it's just so fluffy and so beautiful. We Bengalis call it jhorjhore bhat. So yeah, this rice is super gorgeous. And again I am using little amount of food color, biryani masala. And now finally I am gonna seal this pan properly with the help of this atta dough. If you seal it properly, then your biryani will be absolutely flavorful and super moist. Here you can see my friends, I have put this heavy bottom pan on this tawa. So if you put it on your tawa, then your biryani will never burn from the bottom part. So yes, this is a very important step to use a tawa. And my gas oven top is now absolutely cleaned up. And now I'm gonna lower the flame and I'll put it in a dum for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, here you can see my biryani is absolutely ready. It's looking gorgeous, rice is fluffy, it's so flavorful. I wish you could smell it, my friends. It's just so flavorful. So yeah, now we'll start serving it. And here is my Holi special, absolutely gorgeous looking chicken biryani is ready to eat. So my friends, you can see I have also cut some salad, just onion and cucumber, and one green chili obviously, because we love to eat green chili with our biryani. And also I have made little amount of bundika raita. So yes, my chicken biryani is looking super gorgeous, so delicious. And now I'll put it in the dining table and we both will enjoy our Holi special lunch. So my friends, that's all from today's video. I hope you have really enjoyed my chicken biryani recipe. Please my friends, comment down below how you have enjoyed your Holi. So thank you so much. I love you all. I'll see you guys super soon with a new vlog. And also those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you have liked today's recipe, if you are liking my content, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So tata bye bye, love you.